We live in an age of hypocrisy. Most of the people around us, including ourselves, really struggle to truly live out our faith. And why is that? What can we do about that? This isn't something that's just going to go away easy. This is going to take a real effort. I mean, even in my personal life, I struggle. Faith requires faithfulness. We fear even the littlest of uncomfortabilities. Imagine if Christ feared those things when he went to the cross. If Christ allowed his fear to overcome him. I mean, we all tire of hypocrisy, right? So why do we keep doing it? Even though we know what is good for us, even though we know what we must pursue for greater holiness, we don't do it. And that really just goes to show the truths of the faith, because they are difficult. They're not easy. If we wanted an easy faith, we would have created an easy faith, right? But we have a God-given faith. We're supposed to be faithful to his word, to his life, to his legacy, and to his action, his residence within us. I'm a hypocrite. You're a hypocrite. We're all hypocrites, but let's try to be better. It is up to the youth, the younger generations, to restore the church, to love God, to let him reside in their hearts, and to change the world. That's something that others have not been able to do in a long time. It's up to us. Have we been failed? Yes, we have been. No doubt about that. But in failure, there's opportunities. So let's take the bull by the horns and let's do this. Let's be the change that we want to see in the world. Because if we're always relying upon other people to change, we're never going to be satisfied. We're never going to be happy. We're never going to experience true joy of what it means to be Christian. We have heard it said, be the change you want to see. And for Christians, that is all the more pertinent. If you believe that Christ has the power to transform, then give it all to him. Offer your home to Christ. Raise up your domestic church. This is what revolution looks like. This is what change looks like. Let your table be a place of unity. Care for one another, pray, and eat together. Openly converse about things of the heart. A family of God and a family for God. Whether that's simply your immediate family, your church family, and your friends, a family of God, and a family for God. Bring back traditions that bolster faith. Adorn your living space, your home, in honor of Christ. Adore his word and the scriptures. Take up devotions and introduce sacramentals. Celebrate feast days as a people of God. Bring back holy days. We have this word in our culture, holidays, right? If you think about it, breaking down the word, what is it supposed to be? It's supposed to be a holy day. So let's bring back holy days. Bring back godly, faithful, holy traditions. Each and every family builds culture. It spills out into the world around us. Embrace heaven on earth. Let the kingdom of God be here and now, not just in a future time. Let it flourish where you are.